This video is about how to generate AI images of yourself that looks better in few minutes. This is me. But with the little secret I'm about to reveal to you, you will be able to generate amazing pictures like the one you are seeing on the screen. Can you see? So with this little tip, you can transform either old images, your low quality images, or any other form of pictures that you want in a very beautiful way. There is a free version that you can try for like 3 days, and there is a pro version of it, and it is up to you to decide if you are buying or paying for the app or not. I'm about to release another amazing app secret that you will like, so do well to subscribe to this YouTube channel and like this video. So once our video is ready, you will be able to get notified by clicking the notification button, and you get the video first. Creativity is all about choice, and what made you view this video in the first place may be because you want to generate amazing pictures of yourself. So now I will tell you the name of this app. You can get it on Play Store or App Store. It's very available, but don't forget I said there is a free version of it that you can try for 3 days.